Hello guys, welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how to make a homemade spinner. So you're just going to need 4 skateboard bearings, and you're also going to need a hot glue gun. As you see, it is heating up. And then if you can't find the skateboard bearings because you probably have a hot glue gun, then like maybe you have a spinner that you don't want, then you can just take those bearings. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, what you're going to want to do to make the spinner is you get your 4 bearings and just find the one that spins fastest for the middle one. So I found mine, so I'm gonna use this. So you start with this, and what you're gonna want to do is just kind of with this, you can start just use glue right here, and yeah, oh my gosh, and then you get your other one and just stick it. Yeah, so now it should look just like that. It's like a weird 2. And now you just want to kind of hold it like this, so where you get it, and just glue that one right there. So here we go. I'll show you here. So you just put a little glue on there and then stick it, just push it so it dries, you know? So now it should look a little bit like, kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. And it should look like this. Yeah, so now the last thing, you just glue it right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and glue that. And this works pretty good. So now you just kind of put it on. Okay. Once you have the last one on, just take it for a spin test, you know? So they work really good actually. As you see here, mine's going pretty good, right? Homemade spinner too, you know? Look, so it looks just like a spinner, a little bit odd. Get mine going there.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,